My name is Fanny Arendt, and I work for Ramboll as a project manager. And the advice that I received early in my career is about the flexibility of engineering, really. So when I graduated as a civil engineer from Cardiff University, I didn't have a very clear idea about what I wanted to do. I was lucky enough to join a multidisciplinary large organization that's like Ramboll, which provided the flexibility that I needed. They told me that I could start within the discipline, and if I wanted to move at any point within my career, it would be possible to do that. So I knew that I could explore other disciplines if I needed to do it at any point. Some graduates, they graduate from university and they know very well what they want to do, but a lot of people don't. And I was one of those people that wasn't decided from the start. Engineering is a great way to provide this flexibility. So I started as a structural engineer with Ramboll in the building environment for a couple of years, and then I moved to the site to work for a contractor in Luxembourg, which was very exciting and hands-on. I then moved to the offshore wind industry, where I was working as an engineer for the foundation designs, and then after that I passed on to project management, and all that over 12 years. So I've spent a bit of time in every discipline. So what helped me a lot along the way was having that flexibility and knowing that choosing one engineering discipline after graduating wasn't choosing it for a lifetime. If you are like me and you like the technical side of the engineering disciplines, but you don't want to commit to one discipline from the start, then like being able to move around is very important. In the end, project management provided me with the link of the technical side, and at the same time providing an overall view and of what I was after. So for me, that made me very happy at the end. Yeah, so the second question that that I got is basically, what would you like to pass on to the next generation of project and program managers? And for me, I think that is really to foster relationships with people in your working environment. The graduates from today will be the directors of tomorrow, and the relationships you foster when you're graduating maybe the clients and the partners that you will have in a few years' time. And the circle of friends, whilst creating a circle of friends from day one of your working life is very important. And this includes the internships that you have during university, your university friends, any secondments that you do during the university. So do not underestimate the power of keeping in touch and building a network. I got to go to South Africa, actually, Cape Town, for a month of working, and I went also to Mauritius for a month of working after university. And this, when that came out of an internship and the relationships I fostered within that, that was really good. It may be worth keeping a record of the people that you have met, people that inspire you along the way. And every now and then go through the list and pick up the phone to someone that you haven't talked to in a while. And this can also really help to identify things that you admire in people and that you want to learn for yourself. So it's always good to have people around you that you like to learn from, and that inspire you and that you admire. This way you can steal some of that culture from them. And so keeping in touch with those key people can make your environment, your working environment or working life, a lot more pleasant and enjoyable. So that's my my take on these questions.